Hey, what's up? This is Mikey for Blue Monkey Bicycles, and in this video we're going to review the Urtopia Carbon e-bike. The Urtopia electric bike is unlike any other bike on the market today, and I really mean that. So many times I've reviewed bikes that are the same old mix of the same old components, maybe something a little minor to help them stand out from the crowd. But today we have something very, very special. The Urtopia isn't just a white label electric bike with a silly name, it's actually got features that I have never seen packed together in this kind of density before. Let's get the mechanical specs done because that's actually the most boring part, really. Okay, so starting off we've got a custom carbon fiber frame, carbon fiber fork, carbon fiber handlebars, even a carbon fiber seat post tube. The whole bike weighs in at 30 pounds, which is really light for a full-sized bike. The 700C tires are on custom wheels, and I think those wheels are made of aluminum. For propulsion, instead of a chain, we've got a Gates carbon belt drive. That makes it very smooth, clean, and maintenance-free. I also love the hydraulic disc brakes. Some boring stuff on the bike actually is there. It's got plain old grips and plain old seat and pedals. Let's get to the electronics because there is a ton of depth here. The 36 volt 10 amp hour Samsung battery fits right into the down tube flush with the frame, locks into position, and it also includes a 4 amp charger. That's pretty fast, pretty nice. The motor is a customized 350 watt rear hub, and it's powered by a torque based pedal assist in the bottom bracket. So now let's get to the fun stuff, shall we? The Urtopia is not only a sleek, lightweight carbon fiber awesome bike that is really smooth to pedal, really clean to use, it also has connectivity features up the wazoo. Connecting to the Urtopia app, you have access to the assembly video, which I used first. It also has articles from the company, but the realness is in the full-on dashboard in the app, ride reports, an active map, calorie counter, CO2 saved counter, unlock and locking features, and you can even use it to replay your rides so that you can gloat to all your friends. This is also the portal by which you can access over-the-air software updates for the bike. Now this is really cool. I actually did it myself on this bike. It's a lot of fun. It's not a common feature for cars quite yet, let alone bicycles, but you can update this bike in the future with cutting-edge features as they are developed by the bicycle company. I have seen updated features on electric bikes before, but all the ones that I've seen, you have to take it to the bike store, physically plug it in, and then upload the software onto the bike that way. Not with the Urtopia. You can do it yourself. You can do it at home. It's really awesome. The carbon fiber handlebars on the bike are custom made with a big center display and 2 button pads, one on the right and the left. The remote switch on the left side has up and down arrows for pedal assist, and the left and right arrows actually control the turn signals. It's actually pretty neat that this bike does have turn signals, although I should say that they are projector signals, so they don't shine very well in the daylight. On the right side of the handlebars is a single button pad that activates voice command functions. Turn on the light.
Light on.
I actually think this is where the over-the-air updates will come in handy because I really didn't have the best of luck trying to use the voice commands. Now, the center of the display is actually dynamic, so it not only shows you the battery and pedal assist when you're riding, but it also changes to show you turn signals, voice command prompts, alerts, and also unlocking features as well. The right button on the handlebars is a thumbprint scanner also that you can turn on the bike with, but personally, I didn't bother turning it on because I really had just a short time with the bike. And truly my time with the Urtopia was quite short. Someday I might give it another shot and see the improvements that Urtopia has made over the time period. This is a very unique bike with a lot of great practical features, and a few features that are a little too techy for my taste, I gotta admit. I think this bike will attract a lot of new riders into cycling on account of those connectivity features. Old bike bums like me are way too attached to our old analog way of life, and the newcomers will set new standards that I might not fit into at that time. I want to thank Urtopia for loaning out this incredibly unique bike. It really has been quite a lot of fun, a refreshing new bike to spice up the channel. If you'd like, you can check out their site in the link in the description below. I'm Mikey for Blue Monkey Bicycles, and I will see you On to later.